Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
So, we woke up as early as yesterday, so we were able to do some work. Claudia's still on it, and Claudia is checking out what we're doing today.
Yes.
Because we're going to Petco Stadium, I think it's called?
Petco Park.
Petco Park. The baseball stadium, have a look at that. And after that, we will go to Little Italy.
Yes.
Check out the streets there, go to the Gaslamp District even also.
Gaslamp Quarter. Yeah.
Gaslamp Quarter. And look for some good food and just explore a little bit the city. And then we will see where we go. And we'll take you guys with us. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe and like and all the stuff so that you don't miss any further upcoming videos. So guys, see you.
Let's go.
You just can stay here for the full day, not just for a few minutes. Very pricey parking. So if you come to Petco Park, don't go to the parking just next to it. Whew, guys, so welcome to Petco Park. This thing is absolute epic. It's so huge, and I never have been to a baseball game, but it looks epic to be here. Claudia said she already has been to one.
Yeah.
And it was a little bit, you needed a long breath, if you want to call it that way.
Yeah.
But what I really appreciate is you can just be here, as I understand it, and watch the game even without having a ticket. Is that right?
I think so, yeah.
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 So if that's the truth, that's super cool. I don't know, but we're actually not in the stadium and still can just watch into the stadium. Right there is the field. So maybe if we're patient enough and have some spare time when we come back in 4 weeks to San Diego, maybe we can go to a game or something like that and just party the whole spectacular that you can see here. So down there, little space for the kids. Also super cool that they can play down there. And yeah, I think we will go for a little walk here.
Yes.
Enjoy the shade because it's a little bit hot today, but I don't blame it. And yeah, then let's see what we can find else. Maybe a Little Italy. I actually think that's the most quiet city in America I've ever been.
Yes.
The most chilled and relaxed and the most friendly people at all. Super great, super amazing. So we made it just to the Gaslamp District. It's just a few meters from the Petco Park. It's super beautiful. You have those super cool old buildings, and this whole district got its name from his gas lamps. You can find it here everywhere. It's there, it's over there, and it's really nice here. So when you come here at night, everything is lit up. Here is a super cool vibe. You can have some amazing drinks. There's a Hard Rock hotel over there where you can stay, and it's just super nice. And we will go stroll around and enjoy and look what we can find to eat because I'm really hungry. So we found a cute little restaurant, Onion Lounge, Gaslamp, and they have some great flatbreads and some salads. We will find something here. You find something?
Yes.
So I hope it will be good. Okay, so we just got our first Coke, not out of a bottle. It is out of a, I don't know how you call it. It's mixed with water. And because in the States it seems like they have chlor. Do you call it chlor?
I don't know.
If it's not the word, I will write it down what it's in English. And Claudia said she actually really likes it.
I love it.
Because the Coke tastes a little bit like out of a swimming pool.
Yeah, and you cleaned inside.
You're clean inside. Yeah, it's okay, but it's not really mine. Claudia got her food, and I think it's a little bit too much. I got an awesome pesto flatbread. It looks super delicious, but yours looks awesome too.
Yes.
And it's vegetarian.
Yes.
Good. So we'll crush those. Not filming this because filming people while eating is a little bit disgusting sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, this was disgusting too. So we just eat and then see what happens. Good?
Good.
Good. So, and after that amazing food, Claudia decided she needs some new socks. So, we go in this crazy sock store. Well guys, so when you buy these, you can make a mistake. You just can make, how is he calling it?
Happy accident.
A happy accident. No socks for Claudia?
No.
No.
Not this time.
Not this time.
Next time.
Without any new socks, we will now walk over to Little Italy and have a look over there how beautiful this place is. She said it should be beautiful, so I trust her. And I hope we can see some of those deep airplanes coming in,
Yes.
because that's straight at the airport. So let's see. Well guys, so we knew that those scooters are everywhere around, but what we did not know is that they are so huge. So when Claudia is standing on one of those, she
I'm
nearly
small.
watch over the handle. Hi. I go for San Diego strawberry, and of course, if you go to Little Italy, you have to get some ice cream. Not that we have enough food for today, but ice cream is a must. 4 hours later, and round about 15,000 steps later,
Yes.
yes, we are back at the car. So we were just strolling around because we had no real plan where to go. We're just here for 2.5 days before we start our road trip. And we just wanted to look because we will come back and have 2 more weeks for just San Diego. And yeah, so back to the car and then back to the apartment.
And back to the pool.
Back to the pool. See ya at the pool. Done for today?
Yes.
Yes. So we went back to the apartment, back to our beautiful pool, where we'll stay for the night, work a little bit, relax, and tomorrow we go up to
Palm Springs.
Palm Springs, super early in the morning. That's why we're not going to Pacific Beach or something like that. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you liked our little video from today, leave a like and leave a comment. And if not, also leave a like and leave a comment. And see you guys tomorrow. Sorry that we're so tired. See you!